Okay guys, so I wanted to share with you this really quick because I just ordered these off of Amazon and I'm pretty sure I am loving them. I'm saying because I only used it on a practice finger and it was great. So I'm actually going to remove my daughter's nails that are halfway off. But I wanted to show you these. These are the ceramic bits and I love it that it came in different sizes and different coarseness. So these are the cuticle bits. These right here are just the regular barrels in either medium or coarse. And then it also came with safety bits. In the safety bits in a medium or a coarse. I'm not sure what the colors mean. That's the only thing I wish it actually said. But if I find a video, I'll explain more in detail. This one you can definitely tell it's coarse because you can tell by the little grit, or the little teeth on them. And then it also came with the cone shaped. And I love these because this will be awesome to clean the cuticle area. And then this last one right here is a little dust brush. And they are in the size 332s. And then this is my Coupa ink. So it fits perfectly. So let me just show you right here. I'm gonna put this in. And there you go. As you can see, it fits perfectly. So if you guys want to see how well they work, just stay tuned. So like I said, half of her nails are already off. She's not made for acrylic tips and stuff. She usually works better with just gel polish. She's still young and she still gets around and does things that are not for high maintenance. And she's been also gardening and all that and taking care of the yard. So I'm just gonna take these off and let's see how well they work. And now I'm going to move from this green one to the blue one, which is like a medium. The other one is very coarse. This one I would say is a medium. So as you can see, I've removed about 90%, 98% of the acrylic, and I do find it was a lot better than with my, even my carbide bit, and I don't believe it got as hot as when I used the other. It felt better actually. Yeah, you did. You think it felt better? That's amazing. And the powder that it does release, I don't know if you can see it here, but it's very, very fine. If you can see that, like I didn't get as much chunks flying around like I do when I'm working with my carbide or my sanding bit. And I do like the variety of sizes that this comes in. The coarseness is also very helpful, and it's just all around perfect for working around the cuticle or removing the bulk of the acrylic. I definitely do recommend this set. I will be linking down below my Amazon favorites products that I use for nails or recording videos or whatnot. If you guys want to go see it, check it out. If you put ceramic bits on Amazon, you will get a lot of different ones. However, I saw many did not offer the same variety. They were much more expensive, or they had a lot of negative reviews. This was the best one out of the research that I did. And so now let me just quickly show you how this dust brush works before I actually sign off with you guys. But just the same, you just put it right into your nail file, turn it on, and let me see if you guys can see. Can you move your hand closer? Just go around it like that.
I feel like my nails are at the dentist.
And so then you can see how it cleans away the dust. Very, very good. It's like polishing the area. Does it hurt?
No.
It doesn't hurt at all, so that's good. So this is good to remove all the dust from the cuticle area, and it'll make for a better application. So I do recommend these. I do enjoy the product, the quality, the quantity that I get for the price. I believe for the whole set was about $15. That is insane. So I will be linking it, like I said, to my favorite Amazon products. It should be on the very top part of the page. So let me know if you guys do try them out and what you think. And so please, if you do enjoy these types of video, comment, like, and subscribe. And for now, this is it, and see you at the next one.